guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a plan with me in my brand new Happy Planner that I purchased from Target. I did do a flip through of this planner, so if you have not seen that video, I will link it down below. I have not, look, I still have, oops, how did that happen? Okay. I still have this in here. I have not transferred any of my things to this planner. I still have everything in my old planner. In this planner, I actually still have to do my July currently in this one, so I will probably do a move-in like planner video, like moving into this planner, like transferring stuff over, even though I am still going to Franken plan. So, but I think I want to use the purple discs for the next few months. So if you're interested in seeing like the move-in plan with me planner video, let me know in the comments down below. Alright, so originally I really wanted this planner because of the sectioned out spaces for each day. And I still really do like this about this planner. However, I haven't really thought about how I'm going to use the sections. Since I haven't really thought about it, I'm just going to kind of do what I have been doing, you know. Anyways, I don't have a plan or anything for this week. I'm just going to wing it and see how it comes out. I really do kind of want to stick with summer themes, like a summer vibe, because I'm not ready for summer to be over. So we're just going to continue that and just hold on to summer as long as possible. Alright, let's just go ahead and get in the video. cut in for a moment because I saw something fall on my page and I was like, oh my god, it's a bug. Well, it is a bug. It kind of went away because I had stopped recording. And it was a ladybug. Like, where in the world did a ladybug come from here? She's on my light. Let me see if I can grab her. Oh no, oh no, it's flying away. It's flying away. I low-key, oh my gosh, do you guys see it? Do you guys see it? It's right there. It's a ladybug. It doesn't look like a ladybug on camera, but let me see if I can zoom you guys in. Like, what in the world? How? Okay, I'm gonna try and set her free outside. Alright, update. The ladybug is safely outside. I was scared that she was gonna fly away on me for a little bit, but she stayed on the paper. Anyways, let me go ahead and finish this video. That is it for this week's plan with me. Let me kind of go like that so y'all can see like the foiling. There. I don't know if I mentioned, but I might be going to the beach this weekend, which is why I put the car down. Yeah, so I will be driving down there. Probably Thursday, actually. I was realizing that after the fact, but it's fine. I may not leave till Friday, but whatever, it's fine. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for, I have been loving the love that you guys have been giving me on my videos. I really appreciate it, and it makes me so happy. I know that sounds so corny, but it does make me happy when you guys comment and like my videos. Like, it really makes my day, so don't stop what you guys are doing. I really hope you guys are having an awesome week. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!